Hello everyone, Kurt here. Hey, just want to ask you a few questions. Have you ever thought about using click-to-call to drive businesses, local businesses, offline businesses, online businesses, trying to drive more telephone traffic to businesses? What's stopping you? Google AdSense or Google AdWords actually does it at this time. Will allow you to do click-to-call. But it's pretty expensive. What if I would show you a way that you could do click-to-call from inside of Facebook, and it would be just for a post that you already have inside of Facebook? You would be advertising that post. Thus, when people go to it and they click the link for the actual post, just like this one right here, I'm going to click it now and watch what happens. It's going to go to a redirect here from Facebook Mobile, and then boom, automatically comes up to the number going to be dialed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press and hold my home key. It's going to show you my applications that are open. I'm going to remove that one from the list, remove Chrome from the list. I'm going to go back to Facebook, and I'm going to click on the link one more time. I'm going to click on it. It's opening up Chrome. It's doing the Facebook redirect. It's hitting the website. There's the number again. All the customer has to do now to complete the call is press that little green phone button, and they're dialing this business. Could be a pizza, could be a restaurant, could be a pizza joint, could be a dentist office, could be a plumber, electrician, handyman, roofer, anyone in the service industry. Could be jewelers, anyone. That's exactly what this is for. So I'm going to go ahead and backspace out again. I'm going to hold the home key down again, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to clear out Chrome again, clear out this phone call again, and this time I'm going to come back over to Twitter. I'm going to go ahead and pull up this actual post that we have here in Twitter, and we're using the same WP image redirect ideology here, so it actually has the photo, full 9 yards, and then we're going to click to call. And here in just one moment, it's doing the Twitter redirect, and here comes the call to the exact same number because it's the exact same post. You can use this in Google+, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter, description fields in YouTube videos. If you're doing rent-a-serp videos for local businesses, you know how you put the number in the actual title. How about a link that say click here to call the plumber, click here to call the dentist, click here to call the chiropractor. That's how powerful this software is. I'm going to come back just a little bit, and I'm going to hold this down, and we're going to come back over to Facebook. Now, if it can do a phone call, can it do a text message? Yes, it can. You click here to send a text message. You're actually going to see it actually come up and start an actual text message as well. There it is. And that's the number that it's going to. All the person has to do is type in their text message, press send. So you can even have it do text messaging. You may have the wheel spinning a little bit. Well, what about Skype? It can actually start Skype to make a phone call or to join a conversation. It can work that as well. Once again, this is all mobile base related. It has to do with the phone. If you're clicking the link on a desktop, it redirects not to the mobile like you see here, and of course you can't dial a number on a telephone or on a desktop computer. It takes them over to a web page. Could be a form, could be an order form, could be anything. So when they're clicking it from all the social engines, mobile phone, they'll get either the dialer, whatever you choose for the dialer, could be text message, could be Skype, or it could go to a regular web page as well. Secure, non-secure, doesn't matter. Can go to a PDF file, doesn't matter. Can it go to An app download, sure can. Not a problem. We can do that as well. But if they click that link, but they're on a desktop, it will take them over to the actual web page, whatever page that you define, whether it be a secure, non-secure, doesn't matter. And as you see, we're using images to entice the actual click. Call me, click to call right there. And then click to call, send a text message. So we're able to do that. This is something that is brand new. No one else has this product. And I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to show you some more stuff on the desktop. Okay. Thanks for staying on and waiting for me. We're back on Facebook, and this is the desktop version. And basically, I'm going to show you when we're clicking it, it's going to be taking us to the actual location that we have set up inside of the actual WP image redirect. And what I'm going to do is we're going to look at this real quick. This is the actual URL that we're advertising in Facebook and Twitter, basically posting the URLs, sharing those in groups, pages, or on your own timeline. You could do that, or you can even create ads. Doesn't matter. So basically, this title here, the WordPress title, actually is to help create the permalink. And then we'll scroll down. We're going to go over these sections here. What we're going to do is we're going to skip the top one and work down. This is the actual title of the information that's going to be going into the social engines. And if you look over here, mobile users click to call. That's exactly what it says right here. Mobile users click to call. And then in the description, desktop viewers go to Google Maps. And we come back over here, desktop viewers go to Google Maps. So that's where that information goes and what it does. This is the actual image URL. This is the image that you actually see right here. And that's the URL. And basically it's there to entice the user to see the image, and they click it to actually make the phone call if they're on a mobile device. And if not, it's going to be going to, if they're on a desktop or a tablet, it's going to be going to maps.google.com. That's the way that we have this one set up. The Twitter site, we have that information here, Twitter site and Twitter ID. This is your Twitter ID name, and if you have another one set up for a web page, so that would be your Twitter site name, and then of course the Twitter domain. And then your custom ID or your custom audience's Facebook ID, that's what this is for. And then once you have everything set up, then you make sure that you have the template of WP image redirect and you publish it. It's just a few bits of information that we need in order to make this work. And then once it's done, you can actually share it on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Buffer, Tumblr. You can basically share the actual post, the click to call post. And let's go ahead and come back over to Facebook, and we're actually going to make the click now, and you're actually going to see it's going to be taking us over to Google Maps. And once it's done, we'll go over to Twitter and do the exact same thing. There it is. And then we'll come over to Twitter. And this is the exact same page. We're going to go ahead and click go. Wait just a moment. And it is Google Maps again. So you can see how powerful this is. This system is to help drive phone calls, because most people that are using Twitter and Facebook, they're using it on their phones. You know how you could tell? When you're on most of these, say mobile right over here on the side, most people are using Facebook on their mobile devices, on their mobile phones. Mobile is driving Facebook traffic. And now we're able to harness that by allowing the mobile phones to actually work as a mobile phone, not as an internet browser. We're being mobile reactive, not mobile responsive. Mobile responsive web pages are great. They have a place. Matter of fact, we could still redirect mobile viewers to a web page if you want to, or a secure web page, telephone, text messages, Skype. If you want to send them to a web page, great. If you want them to make a phone call, we can help them make a phone call. We can help them start a text message. This is technology that no one else has. This is groundbreaking. This is one of the best pieces of software out there. Google AdWords are charging people quite a bit of money to do click to call. Jump on board. Facebook is looking into doing this. They're not doing it yet. Twitter's looking into doing this. They're not doing it yet. We can do it right now and move forward. This is a great opportunity for you. Do not miss out. Jump on board right now, and I look to see you on the other side.